Hey, my loves, did you guys see this? Okay, chill, you want to stick around. All right, Dollar Tree is definitely moving their feet to the beat in these streets. All right, Dollar Tree is definitely doing it. Okay, so they have the Onyx Bathhouse Beach Vacay Bath Bomb Daiquiri. All right, they have this one, and then they also have this one. Chill, get into it. Onyx Watermelon Splash Bath Bomb. Okay, floats, fizzes, spins. Chill, check them out. Honey, it's the watermelon for me. It is the watermelon for me. Now, this is the Dry Skin Who Body Polish. Just add water and polish away. Strawberry, kiwi, apple. Chill. Dollar Tree ain't playing. Say I do to Perfect Skin. Say I do to Perfect Skin. Body polish. Just add water. Chill. Dollar Tree ain't playing for you and me. Alright, doll faces. I had showed you guys this new hair accessory collection that Dollar Tree has now, and a place to be on the mic like the fabulous MC that I am. Okay, now yesterday I had brought these two headbands, the silver one and a gold one, for me and my youngest daughter. Honey, as you can see, is barely any left. They got like 2 gold and 1 silver, and I thought these were so cute. I had purchased these as well. Really fabulous, honey, and they already took all of these. Okay, they brought them up. This is so cool. $1.25, honey. When I say styling and profiling, move your feet to the beat in these Dollar Tree streets, Dollar Tree is not playing. Peace, family. Peace. I hope you guys are having such a glorious day, night, honey, depending on where you are. It doesn't matter where you are. I just want you to have a phenomenal day. If not, to understand and get, okay, your day, your life is going to get better once your perception gets better. Honey, you can see, honey, where am I? Okay, let me know in the comment section, where am I? Honey, that's right, the one and only Dollar Tree. Okay, so let's see what they have for you and me. Honey, I know some of you guys like, dang, you got a Dollar Tree a lot. Honey, this car is being manifested, okay, as we speak. All right, just FYI, message today is this. I know some of you guys may feel like, why did this person have to leave my life, right? Why did this person have to do something where as though I had to remove them from my life? Let me tell you something, okay? One of the things that you have to get and understand is this. God will remove certain people from your life that don't have your best interest, okay? You got to understand and get, everybody cannot go. You know, I know sometimes like we want everybody to come along with us on our journey. And that's not how it's meant, okay? Because there's certain lessons that you have to go through and learn on the solo tip. Okay, so if they were removed, it may seem like, oh my goodness, they was removed. But honey, some people can't go where your glow is. Oh, child, say it again, Dina. Some people cannot go where your glow is. All right, and with that being said, let's go inside. So Dollar Tree, they still have a few of these beauty mini fans left. These are $1.25. They come in 2 different colors, blue and also in pink. And Dollar Tree also have this Giova, how you pronounce this? But honey, this is a foundation. Okay, I thought I couldn't open. I thought yesterday I was able to open this. 1 second, check. Okay, so this is pretty much how it looks. It has the mirror, the foundation, and then also the powder. This is $1.25. And honey, Dollar Tree, come on now. All right, I'm seeing honey. You know, I'm seeing just honey, and that's not my complexion, child. Okay, come on. So y'all gonna have to get jiggy with it. All right. Now, Dollar Tree also have these compact mermaid glam Okay, this powder, this eyeshadow powder, and yesterday I had purchased this one because let's face it, this is fancy pantsy mancy. Okay, I didn't purchase this one because I was like, oh, this is kind of light. All right, and I thought that this will look better, honey. Excuse the hands. Now Dollar Tree also have this medium tan new foundation. Okay, Dollar Tree is coming through with the foundation, honey. They ain't playing. $1.25, and then this is just pretty much medium tan. Now Dollar Tree also have these antibacterial wipes. These are $1.25, styling and profiling. Let's go. Now Dollar Tree also have this shea butter lipstick. Okay, this looks like a burgundy. Oh, it says nude. Now you guys know I'm more of a natural type of gal. Okay, like nude, but, and I'm not gonna front because Dollar Tree had this color before and it was really, really good. I had purchased it and it was really, really good. So maybe this is styling and profiling. Okay, $1.25. Okay, so to my girlies out there that love doing the wing, right, for your eyes and stuff like this LA Colors metallic liquid liner, this looks interesting. Part of me wants to get this, but honey, this is not on no list. Okay, in fact, I don't even have a list right now, but this is the gold. This is high impact metallic color, and then they have a few of these. So they have the gold. They also have this like peachy looking color. All right, and yeah, so they have about 2 colors. Look very, very good, honey. It looks good because it's metallic too. Child. Dollar Tree also have the Clean Beauty satin lipstick that comes in 2 different colors. They have this red, honey. I'm a reds girl. Okay, this is the classic red, $1.25, and then they also have this color. They have the nude color. This is nice, but honey, I need flat. Okay, flat, the matte. That's where it's at. Okay. So I had showed you guys the Dental Floss mint wax. Oh my goodness, honey, it is really the packaging for me. Really the packaging. All right, this wide thread, gentle on gums. Honey, you get 75 for $1.25. Where you gonna find that at? I'll wait. Dollar Tree is also selling the Luminant toothbrush with travel case. Okay, this is really, really good. Child, for $1.25. Now, Dollar Tree also have these feminine wipes. You get 40 wipes for $1.25. Orchid, honey, this just look like it's a name brand, don't it? Honey, and honey, you cannot flush these. I need the wipes that's flushable, okay? Where's the Joe's boxes? I don't think they have any more of those, but honey, those with styling and profiling, because you can flush those. Now, Dollar Tree also have the hair, skin, and nails biotin gummies for adults. You get 12 gummies for $1.25. I know they had this at other locations, but they definitely has brought this to this location. Okay, so when I tell you guys about the Dollar Tree new accessory hairline, honey, they are okay with me. All right, look, so they have these elastics, these little hair ties right here, styling and profiling, and then they also have these are my favorite. I like these. Okay, really, really cute, definitely styling. But check these out. Okay, the sunflower, this is nice. This is so cute. Look at this. Oh my goodness, child, this is nice. All right, so they have those. They also have the snap clips. These are $1.25. You get 14 pieces. I don't know who else is giving it up like that. Okay, 14 pieces for $1.25. Where they do that at? Then they also have these hair clips right here. These are fancy pantsy mancy. Absolutely like these. Really, really cute. Then they also have the gold claw clips. I absolutely like these. These are cute. $1.25. Now, Dollar Tree also have these fancy ponytail holders. Look at this with the little rhinestone. Really, really nice. And then they also have the hair clips over here. Fashion. Okay, chill. All right. And then they have some more scrunchies over here. Honey, is this leather? Okay, this is forks locks, honey. This is plata, okay? All right, $1.25. And then they also have this claw clip over here. This is $1.25 as well. I think these are fancy mancy. The shape and everything, they so unique. Okay, I showed you guys the other day the tools that Dollar Tree they done start bringing in, okay, for you and me. All right, so they have this pry bar multi-purpose. This is $5. This is new. I don't remember seeing this, but I do remember, I think, the 16-ounce fiberglass claw hammer, which is $5 as well. If you need measuring tape, they definitely have it. Still deal like Holyfield, $5. The hex key set, $5. And then they also have the 1.5 laminated steel padlock and the stub finders, all for $5. Now, if you are looking for a power strip, okay, Dollar Tree definitely has it in a place to be. Energy saving smart power bar. These are $1.25. They have 7 outlets. Really, really good. So if you're a girly and or a boy, right? Okay, listen, if you're a person that's looking to be organized, Dollar Tree is definitely in the place to be. Okay, now Dollar Tree has all these fancy mancy basket totes. These I absolutely love. Every time I see this just puts me in a mind of you going to do laundry or like to the beach or something. You put your towel in there, you have your snacks, your knickknacks and everything in here. You know, if you're going to do laundry, have your detergent and everything in here. Still deal like Holyfield. Now this, I believe, is $3. Okay, these are the flexible totes, which are really, really styling and profiling. The colors they come in is white, blue, and also gray. Now, you remember these that they used to have these at the supermarket? Honey, I don't even know if they even sell them, have them any longer, because when I go to the supermarket, I don't really see these, okay? But Dollar Tree said, hey, we're in a place to be, all right? So when you go into the supermarket and you just need a few items, you definitely can bring this. This is $5. This is a tall basket. Now, it is taller than the supermarket basket that they normally would have, but this is really, really good. You guys know green is my thing, like a chicken wing, okay? And then they also have the blue ones. So to the ones that's out there that love doing arts and crafts, like you are a fanatic. You just love knitting. You just love creating. And honey, I love that for you. Okay. Dollar Tree has the yarn over here. This is $1.25. All types of yarn, the textures, different textures. They also have the craft fabrics. These are $1.25 as well. Honey, you can make all types of stuff. Oh, I should tell my oldest daughter, because honey, my oldest daughter, she's starting to sew. Okay. So she could be coming to Dollar Tree, coming to get these fancy mancy items. Now we back at it. If you're looking for any Easter items, okay, like this tinsel decor, I told you guys last time Dollar Tree has it. This is $5. Really, really cute, unique. Absolutely love it. The best, my favorite is the multicolor. Where is it? Oh, I think they got one left, okay, all the way in the back, okay? Honey, we ain't dealing with that. Now, they also have the 6-foot floral egg garland, which is $6 as well. Then we also have the hanging with my peeps doormat. Honey, you buy the doormat. You don't be the doormat, okay? Just FYI. They also have these welcome signs that are Easter themed. Really, really cute. I like the eggs, the chickadee chicks, and then also the carrots. These are $5. Okay, so when it comes to you having a green thumb, okay? All right, maybe you don't, okay? But honey, you could try it. Let me tell you something. So Dollar Tree, they have all these planters that are good for you and me. They come in different colors. I absolutely love the turquoise. That is my thing, like a chicken wing. Now, you guys know green is my favorite color, okay? But honey, that turquoise, it just does something. They also have the plastic watering stakes. So to the ones that's out there, you probably a little concerned, like, I don't want to overwater my plants. Honey, you can come and buy these for $1.25. It's so crazy because when I had a plant, okay, probably about a year or two ago, probably longer than that, and I would just be watering, and I was looking for these. I did not see any place that sold these for $1.25. So when I say still deal like Holyfield, still deal like Holyfield. They also have the garden gnomes. Now somebody was telling me that these not gnomes, these are something different. Child, honey, did you do your homework? Okay, because they are gnomes. All right. Garden gnomes, really, really cute. Garden decor, absolutely love it. Now they also have the citronella incense sticks. These you get $6. You get 6 for $1.25. But honey, this is an outdoor thing, okay? Outdoor. Now, if you need planter pot chains, Dollar Tree definitely has them. They also have the pruning, needle point pruners over here, so you could be snipping away what is not there to stay, okay? They also have the nailing pads. These are $1.25 as well. They come in different colors. They also have the plant clips, okay? You get 2 for $1.25, or it's in 2 sizes. Let me see. Yeah, 2 sizes included, okay, for $1.25. Then they also have more garden decor. This is so cute with the frogs. Honey, look at him chillaxing. He ain't playing. He understood the assignment. They also have these mushrooms that they had brought back. These are $1.25. These are so cute. They come in 4 different colors. Honey, I had to do my quick math. Okay, they had the red, the blue, the orange, and then also the green. Honey, still deal. And then they also have the stackable 3-tier planters over here that comes in different colors. They have the blue, the green, the gray, and then also the brown. Now, if you're a person, you're looking for gardening gloves, Dollar Tree definitely has them in a place to be. Oh, wait, hold on, child. They also have the 10 LED lights. This is fancy. Really, really cool. Absolutely love it. Honey, that's a whole vibe right there. They also have the plant hangers over here that comes in 2 different colors, the brown and also the white. If you are looking for pollinators, if you're looking for some microgreen salad mix, honey, they have all what you need over here. Okay, $1.25. Fertilizer spikes, 13, 4, 5. I don't understand it. Maybe they talking about the sizes. Maybe, okay, but these are $1.25 as well, and more garden decor over here for $1.25. All right, family, make sure you guys rocking out, believing in yourselves, keep going, keep growing. Until next time.